Welcome to how to post quietly on Instagram. So in this video we are going to show you how to post quietly on Instagram. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna have to do, you will open up your Instagram application, and after opening up your Instagram application, Instagram now has this new feature that you can use to basically post quietly on Instagram. Like, you will post something on your Instagram but only you will get to see it. Okay, so right now it's not here to everyone's account, but it will be live in maybe 2 to 3 months. So basically when you upload any picture, any reel, you can basically set it to private, I guess. So basically only you will see that post. Okay, no one else will see that post. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.